Sa labas may naglalakad.
Jack? Regardless, if we open that door at any point in time, you do not have any permission to come in.
Medyo intense tong episode natin ngayon.
Don't let them in. You're going the wrong way.
You're so low. It's daw.
Wait. What the? Bring it.
Kita nyo, no?
In the back.
Dinig nyo?
Dude, I'm getting the chills. I'm not kidding. Look.
Evident talaga. Pareho tayo na nahalata, di ba? Nahalata rin nila. Yung kung sino man daw yung yung nandun, binibigay daw nila yung best nila para buksan nila yung pinto para lumabas silang tatlo. Parang sinisikap talaga nila. 'Di ba kako kanina yung nagpapabukas ng pinto, nag-i-insist talaga siya. Napansin din nila. Pareho tayo na napansin.
Or they're literally lying to us, trying to be nice, so we will open the door. The problem is, by them saying let's be friends,
Inuuto
we
sila.
really don't have that many friends, so it's like,
Lagi sinasabi, let's be friends.
That is true. That makes me kind of think differently. The fact that we don't have many friends and we'd like to get more friends.
Taas.
Is there somebody upstairs?
Ito mo naman.
You still up there?
I like to play games.
I like to play games daw.
You just confirmed all that bull we were talking
Tricking
about?
us.
Threatening.
Threatening. Can somebody tell us what's outside?
Baby's been threatening.
This is not
Katakot?
This is not a game?
This is not a
Two
game
different
daw, mga
devices.
lods.
Yes, that is true. I like to play games. This is not a game.
Lods, post natin. Dalawang magkaibang device yung hawak nila. Parehas receive ng responses. Sabi ng isang device, I like to play games. Sabi naman ng isang device, this is not a game. Magkaiba yung kausap nila. Dalawa yung kausap nila. Nagkokontrahan. Parang pinag-aagawan sila. Parang yung isa pinipilit na makipaglaro sa kanila. Yung isa naman sinasabi wag kayong makipaglaro dyan. Dalawa pinag-aagawan sila. Tuloy natin.
I'm starting to think it's not this guy that we were talking about.
No, this is what I'm getting right now. Whoever's outside trying to lure us outside or to open the door, they're trying to trick us by saying they like to play games,
Tingnan
right?
niyo sasabihin niya.
They like... Burnt?
Burnt again.
Tingnan niyo, pareho na naman tayo ng
Literally
iniisip
saying
sa kanila.
that they like to play games so that we
Pakinggan
can
niyo,
trust
pakinggan
them
niyo si
and we
Ryan.
think that they're just messing with us. Okay? They said, I like to play games, and whatever spirit is in here is like, no, it's not a game.
I see.
Don't trust them.
Diba? Ayan yung sinabi ko. Pareho yung iniisip natin sa iniisip nila. Diba?
Dude, this is not,
Tumpak.
this is real.
Evident. Wait lang guys, hindi ko nakita. Babalik ko. Hindi ko nakita.
It's not a game. Play games, and whatever spirit is in here is like, no, it's not a game.
I see.
Don't trust them. Dude, this is not a game. This is real.
6 foot 400-pound dude is walking around.
Dude, that was actually crazy.
What do we do?
We
Hindi ko narinig.
go up. We can't go out.
I feel
Parang may mahinang ano eh.
What the was that?
I have no idea.
This is the most noises that we've ever captured during an investigation.
Probably.
Narinig ko ano lang, bahagya lang.
Yeah, footsteps clear.
Can
Parang
whoever's
ano,
in here with
footsteps
us,
ba
the one
yun?
that we think is trying to
Malakas
help
ba
us?
headset nyo?
There's the door again.
Gumalaw na naman yung pinto. Grabe, nag-aagawan sila.
This is not funny.
What do we do? I'm dead
This is
serious.
not funny raw, sabi ni Wyatt. Oh.
We don't want to
Kabado
let
na
them
yung mga yan.
in. Please explain though. What's going on?
Why are they trying to get in?
Uumagahin
Do they
sila
want
dyan.
us? Dude, I'm shaking, man.
Yeah.
I don't know what to do.
Nginig
I'm
siya.
panicking.
That's actually some of the freakiest, most
Nervyos
intelligent
na yan.
responses we've ever caught on the channel.
Please don't.
Sakto yung pag ano natin nito mga lads. Sakto yung pag-react natin
You
dito.
give us 2 clear knocks on the front door
Buti
here.
na lang pala ito yung
Maybe
pinili
we can
natin.
talk.
Like talking.
Oh my.
They don't want to let us know why.
I
We might
don't
have
like
to have somebody
talking.
retrieve us.
Sabi niya.
Oh, is that stupid?
I don't know.
They don't know either?
I just said I don't know, and the moment I said that, it said,
Don't look at him.
Are the windows closed?
okay,
Earlier!
dude, this is like, what the?
Earlier! It said that earlier, and I said the thing.
Okay, what
Ano?
item? Where?
Even the spirits don't know what they want? Whoever else is in here with us?
Do you think the item can be stuck here in the road? Because if it's the same spirits that we've already dealt with, maybe it's on the land.
What's the
Hindi ko
item?
magets.
Can you tell us that?
Dude.
The house.
The house!
Tang ina. Gulat ako.
Whoa, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry.
Post natin.
That is
Putang ina.
freak.
Kalma. Guys, tinatanong... Kalmado pa ba kayo guys, mga lads? Gulat ako eh. 'Di ba sabi nung nasa device, kausap na, it's attached to an item. Naka-attach daw yung isang entity sa isang item. Hindi niya lang sinabi kung anong entity yun, kung good ba or bad entity yun. Basta sabi niya, it's attached to an item. Tapos tinanong nila, what item? Anong item? Tatanong sila. Ganyan sila eh. Sumagot, the house. Putik, naka-attach siya sa house. Naka-attach siya sa house. Pag sinabi kasing naka-attach, pag parang pinopossess niya yung bahay. Hindi niya pinoposes. Naka-attach siya. Basta parang naka-attach siya. Hindi ko kayang hindi ko kayang i-translate into words. Pero nasa ano ko siya. Nasa dulo siya ng isip ko. Yan, attach. Attachment. Yung parang sa Conjuring. Yan. Pag kunyari humarap ka sa psychic, sasabihin sa'yo, iha, may attachment ka. Alam mo yun, parang may nagbabantay, may nagmamanman, gano'n. May umi-stock sa'yo na sabihin na natin, mga lods.
Key, man. Dude, we might need to do an EVP.
EVP.
Ooh, that might help us figure it out. Something wants to help us, something doesn't want to tell us.
EVP
Something
na.
really wants in.
What if none of the spirits are good? Like, what if what we're dealing with, the one inside, the ones outside, I don't know, and that's the problem. Maybe we can find some information doing an EVP. So let's do an EVP. Hi guys.
Oh,
EVP sila.
Catch that?
yep.
Alam yung pangalan niya.
Still,
Paano
I was just
nalaman
gonna hold
pangalan
my
niya?
camera. I
Hindi
was just
naman
gonna grab the EVP recorder so we
That
can
just said
sit down and
Ryan.
do some EVPs.
Lods. Post call. Lods. Paano nalaman yung pangalan nila? Ryan. Eh, hindi naman sila nag-uusap ng pangalan nila. Binanggit sa device, Ryan.
Now it said Ryan. Earlier it said River,
Yup.
and it said the both of you. We're gonna have night.
Binanggit din pala si River.
Oh, that's what it keeps saying too. Don't look. Okay, I'll change that pattern. Y'all better not even look out that window.
We need to try and do some EVPs.
Yeah, right now.
Let's go.
EVP sila.
Okay, guys, so we came up with a method called the 333 method. 3 locations,
333.
3 questions.
Mga lods, 333 methods. Dami ko nakikitang methods dito kaila. Ang dami ko nakikitang methods dito kaila Twin. Na hindi ko nakikita kaila Sam and Colby. Yung yung S-test. Nakikita ko kaila Twin. Ginagawa nila Sam and Colby yun. S-test method. Nakikita ko rin kaila Twin yun. Yung mga gadgets, ginagawa nila Sam and Colby. Nakikita ko rin kaila Twin yun. Twin Paranormal. Pero itong silang Twin Paranormal, may ginagawa silang mga method na hindi ko nakikita kaila Sam and Colby. Kagaya yan, 333. Sa kanila ko palang nakita yan.
And 3 EVPs. So with that being said, we are going to 3 different locations in this cabin, asking 3 questions and doing 3 different EVPs. So are you guys ready?
Yeah.
I really want to change that camera battery.
3 locations, 3
Dude, with all the
questions,
noises we were hearing outside
3
and everything,
EVP.
we have to change that battery. We can't just like let it die and have nothing outside.
What is it doing now? Is it still blinking?
Still going.
No way.
Yeah.
It's gonna die.
I
It's
really,
definitely gonna die.
I really don't want to go outside either, but whatever it was doesn't like YouTube. So
How do you know it's just us?
it said it twice.
So you wanna go by yourself?
I'm just gonna go change it.
Oh
real quick.
my god.
Just let me in. When you hear me running back up the steps, just open the door for me, okay?
Yeah, if you really wanna do this.
I'm gonna change it.
You're not allowed to come in.
You're not allowed to come in.
Oh!
Lumabas na sila. Ganun ba
Oh,
yun?
it's so dark.
Ulitin ko.
Yeah, if you really want.
Let me in, okay? Whatever. Yeah.
He's gonna die. He's definitely gonna die.
I really don't want to go outside either, but whatever it was doesn't like YouTube. So
How do you know it's just us?
it said it twice.
So you wanna go by yourself?
I'm just gonna go change it.
Oh
Real quick.
my god.
Just let me in.
Lods. Mga lods. Kaya si Wyatt lang yung lumabas. Kasi ito palang dalawa, tong kambal. Sila lang yung pinipigilan na lumabas. Binanggit yung pangalan nila kanina, di ba? Ryan Rivers. Sila lang yung pinipigilan na lumabas. Sabi yun ni Wyatt. Kaya, si Wyatt lang yung lalabas. Si Wyatt, kumpiyansa siya na safe siya lumabas. Yan, lalabas siya. Naniwala naman sa kanya yung dalawa eh. Tiwala sila. Lalabas siya.
Okay, when you hear me running back up the steps, just open the door for me, okay?
Yeah, if you really wanna do this.
Alright, I'm gonna change it.
You're not allowed to come in.
You're not allowed to come in. Sinabi niya.
Oh, it's so
Ang bilis
dark.
oh. Bukas sara eh. Sara kaagad eh.
Unlock the chain.
No.
Ang galing din nito ni
Oh, dude, he's probably
Wyatt eh.
nervous. Did he really just? He really just set his camera down.
Simple lang pero matapang.
You got this, buddy.
Kumalabog sa likod. Pinto sa likod, kumalabog.
He's taking way too long.
Here we go, back on. Rolling
What?
again.
I swear to God, I just heard him.
Wyatt? Wyatt, question. Were you on the deck at all? Like, just a minute ago?
No, just now.
Oh my god! Dude, we heard what sounded like somebody running on the deck, and so River opened the door. Did you see him open the door?
That was because I thought you were done and you were running back up.
I literally just I came over here, picked up my camera,
And then came on.
and then
Bukod kay Wyatt, may narinig pa silang iba
Yes, I did.
na
Oh my
kumalabog.
God, dude.
Okay, this is 333.
Ngayon pa lang sila mag-tring-tring.
If you can hear me on the other side of that door, can you speak loud and clear and use your voice?
Kanina pa yung
Is it
pinto.
you that we're
Tok ng
hearing out
patok.
there?
What is it that you want?
Yo, of course, someone
Kumatok
knocks
na
on
naman.
that back door.
Here we go.
Angas talaga nung hikaw ni Wyatt eh.
Wait, go back. Yes, it is. See that?
Get out or it will kill you in there.
Whoa.
I have no idea, but that was long.
Replay that last one more time. Sorry.
Iniintindi nila yung EVP na nare-record. Get out or it will kill you in there. Pero feeling ko,
What the
Oh
Trick
my
yun.
god, that is so clear.
That says get out of my house.
Or get outside right now.
Oh, maybe.
One more time, let's listen to it. One more time.
iniintindi nila eh. Hindi klaro, pero parang ganun yung tunog.
I don't know, dude.
That's a wild one.
It does sound like get out of my house because it said earlier
Sa
It's
atin,
attached to
it's
the house.
attached to an
mahirap
object.
i-identify yun kasi hindi naman tayo English eh. Tagalog tayo.
Number one location? Perfect.
That was pretty
Pero
wild.
sa kanila,
What do we want to do next?
pero sa kanila, malinaw yun. Kahit distorted yung tunog, madali nila mare-recognize yun kasi salita nila yun eh, English sila eh. Kahit naman tayo, kung nag-EVP tayo, tapos Tagalog yung salita sa EVP, kahit mahina pa yun, madali natin mare-recognize. Kasi Tagalog tayo. Yun, ganun. Ganun nila yan gamitin, yung EVP na yan. Ganun yung paggamit nila sa EVP. Parang dinedecrypt nila. Try natin.
The stairs? Let's go to the stairs.
Stairs. Get
Should
sila.
we be worried about the spirits outside, the entities, whatever they are?
Yung umaawat
Is
sa
there anything
kanila
you'd like to tell us?
sa taas. Parang humihingi sila ng
Who was it
advice.
speaking to us earlier? What's your name?
Grabe no. Oh. Tatlong stamps? Ano yun?
Those three.
Tatlong padjak? Ano yung 3 stamps? Ulit-ulit. Ulitin natin guys ha.
What the
That was really long.
Mga lods. Ito sa akin lang to. Ewan ko kung naisip rin nila to ha. Pero ako napansin ko eh. Parang yung nag-i-invite sa kanila sa labas. May decoy siya sa loob. Anong decoy? Parang may utusan siya sa loob. Parang may assistant siya sa loob. Para bang, kunyari ako, nasa labas ako. Or, kunyari, nasa labas kayo. Tas, ako yung assistant nyo, nasa loob ako. Parang inuutusan nyo ako na, oy, paints away. Puntahan mo yung kambal sa loob. Pumasok ka sa loob. Tapos, pagpasok mo sa loob ng bahay, utusan mo yung kambal na lumabas dito sa labas. Papuntay mo sa akin. Parang ganun. Parang yung nasa labas, yung entity sa labas, parang mas seniority siya. Tapos parang meron siyang decoy sa loob. Yun yung ano, yung inuutusan niya, yun yung nag-uutos sa kanila para lumabas. Alam niyo ba't ko naisip yun? Nasa taas na sila ng hagdan eh. Sa taas, nasa second floor na sila. Pero nakakasabat-sabat pa rin sa EVP yung nasa labas, 'di ba? Sumasabat pa rin sa EVP yung go out there, just the two of you. Nakakasabat pa rin siya sa EVP. Tapos sumasabat din sa EVP yung isa, devil daw yung nasa labas. So parang nag-aagawan pa rin maski sa EVP, nag-aagawan pa rin. 'Di ba? Maiintindihan mo pa kaninang nasa baba sila. Makakasabat talaga yung nasa labas kasi malapit sila sa labas, nasa baba sila. Pero hanggang dyan sa taas nakakasagot siya. Nare-record siya, naririnig siya sa EVP. Hindi siya yun, may decoy siya. Ibig sabihin sobrang dami dyan. Kaya nga sunod-sunod yung sagutan kanina eh.
Yeah, like right after, it was just before you picked it up or grabbed it. So it had to be during or after the knocking that we were hearing.
Yeah, it's true. I couldn't quite understand, but there was definitely answers after each of those questions.
Yep, those ones are a little too light. They're very whispery.
What do you guys say? We just go straight to the next spot.
Buddy up here with us right now. Speak loud and clear into this device, please. Give us the information that we are looking for. Are we in danger?
Takot na
For the
sila.
Shadow Man, the one that
Tingnan
everyone
yung
sees through
itsura
the
nila din.
number 1 or number 2.
Were you the one that was trying to trick us earlier?
This is the last set of EVPs.
If there is anybody else here with us right now, speak loud and clear into this device, please. Give us the information that we are looking for. Are we in danger? So the Shadow Man, information that we are looking for. Are we in danger? So the Shadow Man.
Malabo.
Everyone sees through the window. Can you tell me what window it is? Number 1 or number 2?
Yes lang yung naintindihan nila eh.
Were you the
What the f*** is that?
Something in the window.
one that everyone sees through the window? Can you tell me what window it is? Number 1 or number 2? Were you the one that was
Wait,
trying
what?
to trick us
Look
earlier?
through the window daw.
Whoa, bro, these are so difficult to understand.
Okay, we might have to listen to that second one more time.
Nagets na nga
No
nila
one
eh.
move.
Wait, play the first one too. I think it says this house is. Couldn't make out the rest of it.
If there is anybody else here with us right now, speak loud
Grabe.
and clear into this device, please. Give us the information
Sumasagot
that we are
talaga.
looking for. Are we in danger? So the Shadow Man, the one that everyone sees through the window, can you tell me what window it is? Number 1 or number 2? Were you the one?
Look through the window.
Ngayon lang nila na-gets.
The window.
That is crazy.
Look through the window.
Number 1
Pero kanina pa naka-flash sa screen yun. Look through the window. Look through the window talaga, di ba? Kayo din, di ba?
That just gave me the chills.
Look through the window talaga eh.
Look through the window.
Todo nyo yung headset mga lads. Mas paganda pakinggan. Mas malinaw.
Look out one of these windows
Todo
right
nyo.
now, and you just see something standing there.
Look through the window. Very odd noise.
I still
Very
don't know how the we're gonna get out of here without some issues. We might have some problems, boys.
I know how we
Ka-
pack our rode in the
Kabado na sila lumabas. Problemado na si Ryan kung paano sila lalabas. Sa akin, tingin ko, magpa-umaga na sila. Umaga na sila lumabas. Mas mababa sabi mas mababa daw activity pag umaga. Umaga na sila lumabas.
car and take off.
It's a good idea. I like that.
That's not gonna
Ano sinuggest ni River?
And take off.
Kinontra ni Ryan.
know how the we're gonna get out of here without some issues. We might have some problems, boys.
I know how we pack our throw it in the car and take off.
It's a good idea. I like that.
That's not gonna work. Guys, we'll still be able to leave.
Sabi,
Okay.
ano daw, iligpit daw mga gamit nila, ihagis daw sa kotse. Sabay harurot. Gago si ano. Si Rivers. Sobrang literal eh. Yung ini-expect mong may magsasuggest sa'yo ng ano, ng tricky na strategy. Yung isinuggest sa kanya, ang isinuggest, ano, taranta na strategy. Hagis yung gamit, sabay harurot. Pang mga natataranta lang yun eh. Baliw talaga to si Rivers minsan eh. Tatahi-tahimik. Natawa tuloy si Wyatt oh.
Not your camera, Wyatt. I meant like,
Let's talk about what we
Tawa
got.
si Wyatt
For
eh.
starters,
Si Ryan
we got
nagpipigil eh.
someone up here, the Shadow Man. It said Shadow, and his name was Jack.